Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through social media, feeling like your day is just vanished? Are you struggling to stay focused and productive, especially when you're trying to grow your business? Well, you're not alone. Many of us, especially those over the age of 35, face the challenge of balancing our personal and our professional lives while staying productive. The constant pull of social media can be a major distraction. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 actionable steps to help you break free from social media traps and boost your productivity. Now, these tips are designed specifically for those who are trying to build their businesses while managing other responsibilities. Step 1, recognize the time thief, identify the problem. So the first step is to acknowledge the extent to which social media is consuming your time. You want to track how much time you spend on social media each day. This type of awareness is the first step to the change. Now, excessive social media use can negatively impact your productivity, your focus, and your overall well-being. So when you're constantly scrolling through your feed, you're less likely to be present and focused on other tasks at hand. And this can lead to decreased efficiency and lower your work quality. Step 2, create a digital detox plan and set boundaries. So establish specific times during the day when you're off limits to social media. This could be during work hours, meal times, or even right before bed. For example, you might decide to avoid social media from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays. So there are many apps and browser extensions that can help you limit your time on social media or even block distracting websites. For example, you can use a website blocker to prevent yourself from accessing social media platforms during specific times. Step 3, replace social media with productive activities. So instead of scrolling through social media, engage in activities that contribute to your goals. This could be working on your business, learning a new skill, or spending time with loved ones. Learn to prioritize your task. Create a daily or a weekly to-do list and focus on completing tasks that align with your goals. Use a productivity tool like a planner or an app to help you stay organized and prioritize your task. Step 4, mindfulness and focus techniques. So mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. Now, this can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase productivity. You want to try techniques like meditation or deep breathing to help you cultivate mindfulness. Now, when it comes down to mindful work, when you're working on tasks, try to be fully present and avoid multitasking. I'm bad at that one because, man, I multitask so much. But this can improve your efficiency and your quality of work. So focus on one task at a time and avoid distractions. I'm guilty of that one. But you know, with work, it improves. So take these steps. I'm telling you, this stuff works. Next, I'm gonna tell you about step number 5, the 2-minute rule. All right, the 2-minute rule is a simple yet powerful productivity technique. It states that if a task can be completed in 2 minutes or less, you should do it immediately. Why it works? So by completing small tasks promptly, you can avoid procrastination and build momentum. And this can help you feel more accomplished and motivated and tackle even larger tasks. So here's some examples of tasks that you can complete using the 2-minute rule. Tasks like responding to a quick email, making a phone call, putting away dishes, filing important documents. So remember, breaking free from the social media trap and boosting your productivity takes time and effort. But by following these steps, you can regain control of your time and achieve your goals. So start by taking small steps and gradually implementing these strategies. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Share your experiences and challenges in the comments below. And as always, guys, stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay rocking with Ace. Peace.